Brian DeLuca, and this is Tech Breakdown. Today we're talking all about amplifying light signals in fiber optic systems. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. In high-speed fiber optic communications, transmitting data over long distances requires translating light pulses into readable electrical signals. As light pulses travel through fiber optic cables, present data by switching on and off to encode digital information. However, these light pulses must be converted into electrical signals through a photodetector, usually a photodiode, which generates tiny electrical currents in response to incoming light. Currents, often in the picoamp or nanoamp range, are so weak they cannot be measured directly. This is where transimpedance amplifiers come into play, or TIAs. TIAs, such as the ADA4351-2 from Analog Devices, are crucial in converting minuscule currents from photodetectors into readable voltages. Photodetectors generate current in proportion to the intensity of the light they read. In fiber optic communications, this intensity represents data and needs to be translated into electrical signals that can be read and processed by digital systems. However, the current generated by photodiodes is extremely low, often too weak for traditional measurement methods to detect accurately. To overcome this challenge, the current must be amplified and converted to a voltage that can be further processed. This is precisely the role of a transimpedance amplifier. By amplifying a weak current, TIAs enable the extraction of meaningful data from these minuscule electrical pulses. Several important features make TIAs important for fiber optic communication, where maintaining signal clarity and accuracy is crucial. High precision and stability, low input bias current, adjustable gain for signal flexibility, wide gain bandwidth, compact design for efficient system integration. By integrating TIAs into a fiber optic system, engineers can achieve precise, reliable conversion of light-induced current in readable voltages. These amplifiers make it possible to accurately process the faint signals generated by photodetectors, allowing for high-speed and high-fidelity data transmissions over long distances. For more on technology, make sure you visit edesignit.com, and for the latest videos in engineering, make sure to visit eevids.com.